Hi, everybody, this is Happy to Share YouTube channel. Today I am going to show how to use WhatsApp on laptop and desktop computers systems. Sometime we need to transfer files from WhatsApp mobile application to your computer systems and vice versa. File transfer can be done so easily by browsing WhatsApp in computer system. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the red colored subscribe button below. Also don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications. First of all, just open your web browser. Now just type web.whatsapp.com. Now you can see on the page a QR code that is quick response code. Now let me shift from computer screen to mobile screen. Now on mobile, just open WhatsApp application. Now just click this menu item which is in this top corner. Now you can choose this option named WhatsApp Web. Now your mobile camera starts scan QR code. Just aim your mobile camera to QR code on the computer screen. Now your mobile and computer will synchronize to display WhatsApp on the computer screen. Once synchronized, you can see this message: keep your phone connected. That means you should not disconnect internet connection to mobile phone. If you do so, WhatsApp Web doesn't work anymore. Now you can see all your messages. Chat list will appear here. All the options which are available on mobile will be available even in the WhatsApp Web. From here you can download the files which you want to move from mobile to computer. And it's also possible to chat all your contacts and groups. Also you can change the profile picture. Finally, you can log out by choosing this drop-down menu. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click the red-colored subscribe button below, which will help me to create more videos like this. Thank you.